Namaste everyone, my name is Seema. I am a Vice Principal at Delhi Government School. She is my daughter, Sachi. She is studying here at Aksharvanam Education Research Center. My husband also works in Education Department of Delhi. So a team of 30 members from SCRT visited this place as a part of their educational visit to some alternative education centers throughout India. So when they visited here and we discussed it back at home, and then we realized that we also need to visit this place because we were excited to see the beauty and how the students are doing their own work and that work culture that is being implemented here. So this curiosity led us to visit this place after I think 1 or 2 months later. So we planned this visit like we will be going to Hyderabad for 5 days, and for 2 days we will be staying at Aksharvanam Education Research Center, and for 3 days we will be visiting Hyderabad. So on the second day when we were about to pack our things that we need to leave on the third day, then Sachi said ki can we stay here for one more day. So we requested Shripati Anna that we want to stay for some more days, and he allowed us कि yeah, you can stay here. So all 5 days we stayed here only, and on the fifth day when we were about to leave, then Sachi said कि I wish I could study in such a school. So then we discussed with Shripati Anna in detail, like how can we do this, or if she is able to stay here and this and that. So it comes out that he said ki yeah, she can stay here for 15 to 20 days. We'll see if she is able to adjust here because of the difference of language, culture, food habits, everything is quite different. So we were doubtful that whether she'll be able to manage here or not. But still we discussed with each other and we left her here for 15 days thinking out that after 15 days she will be willing to come back to Delhi. But on 15th day we received a call from her and she said ki I want my cotton clothes here. It's so hot and I'm going to stay here. So this was the moment when she decided that she want to stay at Aksharvanam. So that was not an easy decision to make her stay here all at once, and this was a time for us to decide and to think critically whether we are doing the right thing or not. Because Delhi is far away from Hyderabad and we cannot visit it very often, and she being a girl child and being very close to her grandparents, so all of us were very skeptical whether she would be able to adjust here or not. And to ensure this we came here again, and this time for a longer stay here. And then we got to know about all the philosophy, the vision of Aksharvanam and everything that was relevant for us to take that big decision to keep a child here or take her away. And when it comes to the curriculum, they are following triple L curriculum. It's language, logic and life skills. What attracted us the most was life skills part. Here we can see children moving around, doing their own things. They are not dependent on anyone else. This is what real education is, real learning is. Because both of us have been in teaching for so long that something different from regular teaching attracted us a lot. But it was not just attraction for something different. We went way deeper into why Shripati Anna, why Madhav Anna is doing such things and what is their vision and what they want to achieve out of this. So we questioned them a lot, we had long discussions with them, and at last everything turned out in Sachi's favor, that yeah, it will be a good decision if she is staying here, learning here, growing here among the peer group, among this beautiful nature and among all the elders who are so caring for her like a family. So it's more like a family learning together, staying together and studying together, not as a school. So this was the first assurance that we got when we were analyzing like why we are choosing Aksharvanam for her. Then it comes to learning. The learning here is very much impactful, very effective because it's based on diagnostic tools. In education we have two types of tools. normative assessment and critical assessments, or we can say criteria based assessment. So they are following the second one, criteria based assessments. So diagnostic test forms the main purpose of that evaluation, and their assessment is so small, very standardized, and it's really valuable. The individual record sheets give everything that is relevant for a child's learning. So when we are able to measure something, we will be able to enhance it, reduce it, or we can do whatever remedial measures we want to take with it. So the learning is all embedded into those record sheets and those assessments, which form an integral part of education at Aksharvanam. And it's not like those test papers, 3-hour long test papers where child need to rote learning and need to memorize and other things. So as a teacher and as a parent, we were evaluating everything whichever was relevant for a daughter to stay here. And Aksharvanam came on top of all those criteria which any parent can have. When it comes to peer learning, we have seen it. Children are not grouped as per their classes or as per their age level. So one child may be at class 10th level in English, but they may be at class 6th level in maths. So they are not categorized in class 10th. When it comes to maths teaching, maths learning, they will go to group number as per the maths level. And when it comes to English level, then they will join another group where they will have students who are at that level of English, and they will be getting help from elders, those peers who have completed that level. So generally it does not come to a child when they have a doubt. They don't generally go to a teacher asking for help directly. They hesitate, they have some fear, they have some inhibitions. But when it comes to peer group learning, they just go naturally and ask their doubts in a very normal manner, very friendly manner, and they get sorted out their doubts very easily. So it comes out that peer learning is more effective when it comes to smaller children. So she has been learning in that manner. And when it comes to life skills, so yeah, this is the basic of Aksharvanam, and this is how it makes it different. Like in education, National Education Policy is talking about learning by doing, cooperation, collaboration, 21st century learning skills. So everything is being implemented here even before National Education Policy came. So it was like a lot of portion of NEP was taken from this place only. So we realized that, and Aksharvanam has never like, we cannot say कि it was below standard in any time, at any point of time. So we think we had a good decision at that point of time, and still we are in touch with Aksharvanam, and we visit here regularly whenever we get holidays there. So it's like our second home here, and we love the transparency here. We can move around at any place. As a parent, we are not restricted to sit at a place and be there only. And we can move around with children, we can work with them, we can study with them, we can sit with them, and we can talk to the elders here. Everything is like a family. So when a child comes to such a place, then it gets to know that the child is being valued, they are being loved, they are being cared for. And this is the basic of education. Like when the child is emotionally healthy, emotionally strong, then other type of intelligence comes into play. So Aksharvanam is the best place to be, according to me. He loves the food here very much. So which is your favorite food?
इडली.
So he says कि सांची के घर का इडली बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So he calls Aksharvanam as सांची का घर, and he likes to be here for idli especially. There is no such fees or donation that is asked from us. It is up to us whether we would like to make a donation. We want to gift some useful things that will be relevant for all the students here as a family, not just for our own child. Like I used to bring some Hindi story books for children so that they can read, they can share, they can learn from them. So after visiting Aksharvanam, I can say confidently what education should be, what learning should be, and what living a life should be. So it's all a holistic experience that a child is feeling, living and enjoying here at Aksharvanam.